Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be taking you through the Dodgecoin website. Dodgecoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by Shiba Inus worldwide. Start using Dodgecoin today on Windows, OS X, Linux, Android and Source. What is Dodgecoin? And what with Dodgecoins and the dog? The fun and friendly internet currency. How to get started with Dodgecoin. Setting up a Dodgecoin wallet is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Seriously. Check out our getting started guide below. You can click this button to get started now. So what are you waiting for? Start using Dodgecoin today. Get started, community, get Dodgecoin. I'm going to end the video right here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment down below. You can also check the Dodgecoin website to find more information. Have a great day.